Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate all of you. And if you see me for the first time, if you're checking out this channel for the first time, hi, I'm Rita Benjamin and you're watching Rita Benjamin's TV. Here we talk about everything related to social media growth, social media marketing. So if this sounds like something you're looking for on YouTube, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, if it sounds like something you're craving for, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this and more concerning YouTube, Instagram growth, social media marketing. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to add or change your thumbnail on your YouTube videos. Maybe you uploaded your video some months ago or some weeks ago without uploading it with a thumbnail, probably because you don't know how to do that, or how to add thumbnails to your YouTube videos. So you just uploaded your video that way. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can add thumbnails, or maybe you want to change the thumbnail that is on your video is not really appealing to you, so you want to change it to, thumbnails are very important when it comes to video marketing. They are very important because it's like they drive curiosity. When people see your thumbnail, it gives them like a little idea of what your video is all about, and if it is something they are looking for, they are certainly going to click on it and watch. So thumbnails are very important. They are very important if you want to get those views, and of course views that will translate into subscribers. Then you should definitely be applying thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So maybe many of us know this, but we don't know how to go about it, how to add thumbnails on our videos. Or maybe you know how to, or maybe you have a thumbnail on your video, you want to change it but you don't know how to do it. So in today's video we are going to be doing a little tutorial concerning that. So I'm going to be using the YouTube Studio app, and also be showing you how you can do it on the web for laptop users. If maybe you are not familiar with mobile phones, maybe you're more comfortable going about your YouTube business with your laptop, probably doing it on the web. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do it on your phone and also on the web. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then you should continue watching. Make sure you watch the video to the end. The first thing you want to do is to go over to YouTube Studio on your phone. YouTube Studio here. This is it. You tap on it. Okay guys, this is the home screen of our YouTube Studio app. So you want to tap on these three lines, because here we are at the dashboard of our channel. So it shows you your analytics and all that. So you need to go and tap on videos. Okay guys, you can see these are all of my videos, all of the videos I have uploaded. So if I want to edit any of them for any reason, or to do anything, I'll just need to tap on that particular video I want to edit. So let me say I'll tap on the first video. Okay guys, so you can see this is the video I want to edit. So what I would do is to tap on this icon here, this icon that looks like a pen. So you would tap on that. When you tap on that, it simply means that you want to edit the video. So here we are. So do you want to edit the title? You can edit the title here. This is the description of the video. This is the description of the video. This one is the description. So if you want to edit it, you just need to add the things and that you want to add, or you want to remove some things, you remove. And when you're done, you go back there. But we are not going to be talking about this. I just wanted to show you that this picture, or rather this screen here, simply means that you want to edit your videos. Anything that you want to do, you can do. But we are going to be talking about how you can add thumbnails to your YouTube videos, or maybe change them. This is my thumbnail already on my video. Let me say I want to change it. You see, it is still implement. It is the same thing if you want to add it or change it. So you just need to tap on this little pen here. When you tap, you can see these are custom thumbnails. These are custom thumbnails that YouTube has generated for you. But maybe you want something that really speaks of what your video is all about. So you just need to tap on change. Okay guys, so you see that your pictures have appeared. So you just need to tap on that thumbnail you have already made. Maybe if your thumbnail was to be TikTok, I just want to use it as an example. You tap on that. So guys, you can see that our thumbnail has appeared. And when it appears, you just need to tap on select. You tap on this icon, select. That is it, guys. That is it. The thumbnail is already there. So what I just need to do, if I want to save it, I'll just need to tap on save, and you will see that is this TikTok logo is going to be appearing, or whatever thumbnail you choose, that is what is going to be appearing. If maybe you want to change it, and if you want to add it, that is how it works. You just need to let me go back. Yes, you just need to tap on this pen, and when you tap on it, it will take you to this other screen where you need to tap on this pen again. And when you tap on that, you will see the thumbnail that is already being generated by YouTube, and the one that maybe you want a more precise. Look at this thumbnail, it speaks of what my video is about. So if you want a more precise thumbnail, you just need to tap on change, and photos will appear, and you choose your thumbnail that you have already created. So that is it, guys. It's very simple. That is how you can change the thumbnails of your YouTube videos, or maybe if you want to add, you can add. If you want to add your thumbnails, you can add. So that is how it is done, guys. So let me go and show you how you can do this on the web. As I said earlier, I will show you how to do it on the YouTube Studio app and also on the web. So what we need to do is to go over to Google. You go over to Google and you search for, you type youtube.com. This is it, guys. That's the web address that's appeared already. So for those who are more familiar or who are more addicted to the web, so this is for you. I want to show you how you can change your thumbnail through the web. Okay, guys, this is the home screen of our YouTube app. So since we want to change our thumbnail, what we need to do is to go over and tap on this our profile picture. And when we tap on that, you're going to see the various features that you can use to manage your channel. So just tap on your channel. Okay, guys, this is the home screen of our channel. So the next thing you want to do is, these are the videos you have uploaded. So you just need to tap on that particular video you want to edit, or you want to add your thumbnails to, or change your thumbnail. So let me still use this first one here. Let me use the first one. Okay, guys, this is our video that want to change the thumbnail. So what you need to do next is to tap on edit video.
Those people that like certain things that are negative about you and your videos, even try.
You have tapped the edit video. It's almost the same thing with doing it on your phone, but I just wanted to show us, maybe you don't know how to really do that, how you can go about that through the web. So I just wanted to do both so that you. Okay, guys, so you can see the same thing, almost the same thing that we did on our YouTube Studio app on our mobile phone. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is our thumbnail. You can see it here. This is our thumbnail. This is our thumbnail. Let me say these are custom thumbnails, as you can see them here. Let me say we want to change this particular thumbnail that we have. You just need to tap on it. Okay, guys, you can see you can choose to download the thumbnail. Maybe you want it to remain on your phone, or maybe the one that was on your phone has been deleted. You can choose to download it or change. So you just need to tap on change. So guys, you can see the same thing. So here our gallery has just appeared. So you're just going to choose on that particular thumbnail that you want to add. You will need to choose and tap done. Okay, guys, this is it. Since I still choose by the same thumbnail, this is it, guys. Once you're done, you are going to, when you choose any thumbnail, you are going to see it appear. Okay, for the benefit of those who maybe might think that it has not been changed, let me use something different. So guys, you can see once you're done changing your thumbnail, as I said earlier, you just need to tap on these three dots and this is what will appear if you want to download the image or you want to change it. And if you want to add it, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, because when you come here, you just see like pictures that YouTube have generated from your video. So maybe if you want to add it, you just need to tap on it and it's still going to show the same thing change. And you can, when you tap on that, it's going to, as you can see, it's going to take you to this screen where you see your pictures. And if your thumbnail is there, you tap on the thumbnail, and you tap done. So that's it guys. And when your thumbnail has appeared the way it is here, look at it here, you just need to tap on save. You will just need to tap on save. So as you can see, we are receiving a notification that changes have been made. So that is it guys. That is how you change your thumbnails on your YouTube Studio app on your phone. And also, okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that little tutorial was helpful to you, and if you found any value out of this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps me a lot. It makes YouTube to know that this video is good and they are certainly going to be recommending it to other people, to other viewers. So please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that whenever I release a new video, you will be notified about it. And also drop your comments below if this video was useful to you. Let me know in the comment section, and if you subscribe to my channel, also let me know in the comment section. I am certainly going to see all of your comments and reply to them. Please become a part of my family, become a part of my YouTube community, and I will be very, very grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video.